Passive design is the buzzword often used to describe energy-efficient homes. But what is passive design? Passive design is a building design approach that focuses on the rate of heat gain and heat loss in a house in order to ensure a comfortable home temperature. This method causes little to no energy usage. This design approach is oftentimes used on newer houses and architectures. Passive heating and cooling utilizes the orientation of the sun, cool wind, window and door placement, building materials and shading to control heat gain and heat dissipation. However, passive design can also be applied to existing homes. The first step is to get an energy efficiency audit to prioritize the most cost-effective energy-saving improvement. There are many ways to incorporate passive design in an existing home. Your auditor should be able to provide you with estimated cost and savings for each improvement. Effective shading can block out 90% of the heat. Some ways to add shading is via landscaping, installing awnings and eaves and adjustable shutters. Air leaks through attics, floorboards, skylights, and poorly fitted doors. Sealing air leakage can reduce carbon emission and your electricity bill for up to 25%. Insulation acts as a barrier to block out heat and retain internal temperature at home. Adding insulation to needed areas can make your home more energy efficient. Like our video? Subscribe to our channel and visit www.elahomerepairs.org or contact 800-368-PROS for a free contractor referral.